What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you the fastest way to make $100,000 with CPA affiliate marketing. Now, before I get into the topic, I wanted to make a quick little intro type video, just to like give you guys an update on like what's been going on, why I haven't posted, because I know I got like over 100 subs on my last video, and I just want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. Shout out to you, shout out to all my OG subs, for everybody that's gonna hit subscribe for this video right now. But what I really wanted to touch on was like what happened, like why I haven't been posting. It's just I got really sick on vacation, guys. Like it was actually kind of crazy. Like after I left the water park and checked into my villa, like I was good for like that first night. Then that second night I just started feeling really sick. I got the chills. I had a fever. I was coughing. I got really stuffy. I don't know if it's like the flu or what I caught, but yeah, I just stayed in bed a lot. I rested like the last half of that vacation, which is why I haven't posted any new videos or whatever. And you know, I'm finally feeling better. So now out here at Lenox Mall, you can see around, just parked outside of Neiman Marcus, about to run in Neiman's and you know do some shopping since I feel better. And yes, I just want to, you know, basically just say thank you to everybody who's been supporting my videos, supporting the channel. I wasn't trying to intentionally not post videos for weeks and weeks. Like I really was sick. I'm just now like really feeling better, like 100%. You know, like after I was sick, I just had brain fog for a minute too. Like it took me a minute. Like I had to really reset. I went on a 3-day fast, so you know, did some reflecting, and yeah, so it's been a lot like these last couple of weeks, you know, just getting sick. Like it taught me a lot, but I'm like thankful because like I was on vacation, so I ended up extending my vacation another week. So I'm really just now getting back home, getting back into the groove of everything. And yeah, I'm just blessed, fortunate, you know, CPA marketing, like when I'm sick and down for the count, I literally couldn't do anything, but guys, I still got paid, I still made money. Like life is still good. I'm out here shopping right now, back to life or whatever. And I'm just thankful for this life I live. I'm thankful for my health. I'm about to get back into the gym. I just like went on like a little shopping spree for like gym stuff, and like I'm about to be back in the gym, about to just like be taking my vitamins, like being healthy. Because guys, when I was sick, I was literally just like trying to count my blessings, because it was rough. It really was rough. So yeah, that's really what's been up with me, why I haven't posted. I want to be more consistent, so if you haven't done so, subscribe to this channel right now. Drop a like on this video if you like me coming back to the channel, updating you guys, teaching you guys about CPA marketing. You help out the channel, show support, get this video to more people who want to, you know, live a different type of lifestyle, don't want to live a 9-to-5 lifestyle. You want to live this laptop lifestyle, want to make money from the internet. Also, what I need you guys to do is stay tuned to the end of this video. Now I got a special announcement at the end of this video. You know, I did a lot of self-reflecting, like I said, and special announcement at the end of this video. It's gonna be something special for everybody who watched this whole entire video. All right, so what I'm about to do right now is just go run into this Neiman Marcus and yeah, pick up my stuff. It's a lot going on at this mall. As you can see, it's jam-packed. So I'm just about to run up in here, and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. What's going on, everybody? So I'm back here at the house, and I just got back from Neiman Marcus. I'm actually unboxing my stuff right now, show you guys what I buy with my CPA marketing income. So decided, you know, buy some Burberry sneakers. These more so like for winter time and stuff like that. So these what I just got from Neiman's. Let me know what you guys think. Some Burberry sneakers. Right now I got the Gucci sneakers on, so let me actually try these Burberrys on, make sure they fit, because I'm gonna be mad if they actually don't fit. So let me see if they actually fit. Of course I wouldn't wear with these pants, but okay, let's check it out in the mirror. Okay, I also got, let's see, also got a belt, so the belt can match like the shoes or whatever. So do y'all think, W belt or nah? And also got some jeans, just some little regular black denim jeans, little purple jeans or whatever. So yeah, everything looks good with the clothes. It's right. I don't have to go back up there. Shoes fit. all right, Chanel, how do I do this for myself? I want to live this lifestyle. I want to, you know what I'm saying, go shopping. I want to go on vacations. I want to make money. I want to drive my dream car. You know, everything you see me doing, because with CPA marketing, that's the reality of it. It changed my whole lifestyle. I'm literally living a life of my dreams now. So what do you need to do to make this happen for you? And not only make it happen fast, right? So more people deserve to hit that 6-figure mark. You know, your first 6 figures is, I think, gonna be the hardest, but it's the most worthwhile. And once you make 6 figures, like, it's gonna be nothing to get to 7 figures. Like, that's pretty much how it happened to me. My first 6 figures was like really hard to make, and then after I made 6 figures, like, it wasn't nothing to start reaching that 7-figure mark. It was just like a few years of just repeating those same actions that got me to 6 figures. What I want to basically break down for you guys is simply like what you need to do to make sure that this can happen fast for yourself. You're not wasting time, because I was wasting a lot of time. You know, I literally used to post in groups. I used to like spam message boards and stuff like that. So for all you out there who's like spamming links and stuff like that, I'm telling you, that's not the way to go. That's literally where I came from. Like, I'm really trying to show you guys the way, which is what I talk about in my videos. Paid traffic, of course, but that's not really what I want to talk about in the video. I want to talk about like what you really need to focus on to make this happen fast for yourself. And that's really going to be the type of offers you focus on, because I think what's slowing people up is that they keep trying to focus on like regular affiliate offers, and I'm trying to show you, like, focus on CPA offers, like lead generation or downloads and things like that, because those type of offers is what's like what set my success like to a new standard. Like, I really started seeing success. I used to focus on cost per sale offers and stuff like that, but once I started focusing on like lead offers, and you know, I run other offers here and there, but for the most part I like to focus on lead generation offers. Why? Because it's simply somebody filling out a simple form, or literally like my first couple dollars was like literally people just entering their email in, and that was like my first 6-figure offer right there. Just literally somebody enter an email in, I get paid. That's literally going to be the fastest way for you to make money with this industry, is just focus on a simple offer that's going to basically not be a big threshold to convert. All right, and that's really a good tip, I think, for CPA marketing. But another thing is, who are you listening to? Where are you getting your information from? Because, you know, I went around in circles, you know, posting in groups and all this other stuff, because that's what I was watching on YouTube. I was just spam, you know, content locking links and things like that, like just like stupid stuff that's like it can work, but it's just like so much work, and like it's gonna take so much more like knowledge to like really get that stuff to work. Whereas like I'm literally showing you guys how you can find landing pages, you can find ads like from other affiliates, and literally take that and literally run it for yourself, and like you know, improve it and make it better. But I'm really trying to show you guys like what's possible, like the realistic way, like, so you're not BSing your time away. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you have to put your money where your mouth is. So if it's going back to work, if it's selling things on eBay, whatever you need to do, get the budget so that you can be out here, you can test your ads, you can be running. Okay, even if you spend $10,000 testing and running and learning CPA marketing, what's $10,000 to $1 million, right? Now, if you focus on $10,000, you're never going to get to $1 million. If you're focused on $10,000, you're never going to get to $100,000. You know, you might not even make $10,000 because you're so worried about $10,000, right? You have to start making your problems bigger. You have to start seeing your goals as realistic, but seeing big realistic goals. You know, don't sit here and be focused on $10,000, $5,000, $1,000. Like, that's so petty and small. Once you start focusing your brain on millions of dollars and you know, affirming millions of dollars in your reality, that's what will come to you. And what I really want to break down in this video is who you follow, and like mentor is going to be key. And that's why I make these videos, so you guys can simply like follow and just do what I did. Now, is my information the end all be all? No. Will you probably have to still learn more things and get more advanced and learn more copywriting? Yes. You know, I don't teach everything about copywriting, but I got resources. Hold on. So I just went and grabbed some books. You got cash advertising. You got words that sell, phrases that sell. Like, it's books out there, it's marketing books. Like, don't just think, oh, I just need to copy my mentor. I'm gonna learn from you, Chanel, and then, you know, I should know everything and I should be making $100,000 in the next 60 days. Like, okay, it may sound good. You may be thinking, okay, you can reach 6-figure months by just you know, trying to copy whatever I'm doing or whatever. But at the end of the day, like, do you have the knowledge that I have? Have you read these books? Have you, you know, been to seminars on copywriting? Have you just like studied the craft? If not, you can't expect to be the best marketer out the gate. You're gonna have to skill up. Okay, it's okay learning new skills. It's okay, you know, learning and taking that time to build up your knowledge, right? So that's really what I want to touch on. You know, the fastest way to make money with CPA. I mean, at the end of the day, there is a learning curve, because yes, you do need certain type of skills or whatever, but can you shortcut it? Yes, because you can go out and you can take from other affiliates who may have already done the work, and you can kind of like just piggyback off what they're doing. My first landing page was a swipe landing page, right? My first ad was a swiped ad, right? It wasn't nothing I came up with. Yes, I you know, I tweaked and I probably added my touch and taste to a lot of things, but I was seeing what was working out there first, and that's how it happened for me. When I did it like that, that's when things just took off and I never looked back. But at first, it was a grind. It was posting on Craigslist. It was posting in Facebook groups and just spamming links. And it wasn't until I got into real marketing tactics that my life changed. And now you see me living the luxury lifestyle, having the finer things in life, eating where I want, traveling where I want to travel. And this is basically all thanks to CPA marketing. You can be a CPA marketer too. Anybody can do this. I don't think it's anything that's like too hard to learn or master. If I can master it, I wasn't a straight A student. I wasn't somebody who knew everything about marketing. I didn't go to college for marketing, you know. I'm just somebody who graduated high school, went to college for physical therapy. I was going to become a doctor, but then I needed all this math and science and everything, and it's just like I really didn't know what I was going to do, guys. I was really lost. I just started working a job and taking online classes, and then from those online classes and everything, I literally just dropped out of college, and yeah, and I pursued marketing. And this is just my path and where it's led me so far, and that's why I make these videos. Basically just show you, like, give you the real behind like everything that I'm doing. And that brings me to the end of this video, which, you know, I do have a special announcement, because you guys know I was sick. I was down for the count for a minute. I don't know what I caught on vacation, but like I was able to do a lot, like self-reflect and things like that. I also was taking a lot of vitamins. Let me show you guys the vitamins I was actually taking, so you can see we got some emergency, some alive, some zinc, some vitamin D. Yeah, I was just taking medicine, more game planning and what I want to do, you know, with Mogul Academy and my mentorship program and things like that. So this is like basically like what I came up with. I basically want to close Mogul Academy down, right? So I just don't want to offer it anymore, you know, through YouTube. So I won't be linking Mogul Academy anymore. I'll probably do something like with private coaching or something like that later in the future, but as of now, I'm gonna be taking a break from offering courses and things. So I'll only, like, you'll see my YouTube videos and stuff like that, but you won't be able to like just get inside Mogul Academy anymore. So I say that to say this: I'm gonna offer Mogul Academy one more time. Like, literally, it's gonna be your last chance to get inside Mogul Academy. And what I'm gonna do is, for like a closing sale, I'm not gonna make it 50% off, because I already did that. So right now I'm gonna do 25% off, and that's like my final deal, final offer. It's your last chance to get inside Mogul Academy, to learn everything, like all my super affiliate tactics, everything that got me to 7 figures with CPA affiliate marketing. You know, the type of offers I use, type of landing pages I use, how I run my ads, how I structure my campaigns, how I optimize my campaigns. You know, we got Facebook ads, native ads, Bing ads, more and more. Like, got bonus tactics as well. So if you're interested in learning like my tactics, what you know, what I suggest for beginners to do with CPA marketing, also for those advanced people out there who's looking for, you know, more so my structure and process and things like that, get inside Mogul Academy today. By the end of this month, Mogul Academy will not be offered anymore. You will not be able to just go below the video and try to get inside. As you can see, it was closed. I was just gonna keep it closed, but I decided I'm gonna open it one more time and give people one more chance. So that's my special announcement. I'm gonna restructure everything, like how I do my mentoring program and everything like that. I'm gonna restructure and then, you know, go to the drawing board and stuff, and then see what I want to do as far as the future. But as far as like making YouTube videos and then just offering a course, like I feel like that's not something I want to keep doing. Like I want to do something different. I've been doing that for like 3-4 years now, so I want to do something different with this channel. I want to do something different with how I mentor people, and that's just what I came up with during this break, while I was thinking, reflecting, journaling, things like that. So 25% off right now, Mogul Academy. Get inside. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Comment down below you like these videos, comment CPA, anything, you know, just help push that algorithm, push this video to more people. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.